Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two business automation tool platform, which is Synder and Zoho Books. So let's quickly dive into it. I will decide which of these accounting software can be a game changer for you. So let's dive into it. Talking about Synder. Synder is tailor-made for e-commerce, subscription, and payment-heavy businesses. It excels at automating transaction synchronization, perform free capture, and localizing sales from sources like Stripe, Shopify, PayPal into platforms such as QuickBooks or Xero. If you process a lot of sales, work across channels, and you need a high accuracy and automation, Synder is a strong choice for you. Now, talking about Zoho Books, by contrast, is a full-featured cloud accounting solution ideal for small to mid-sized business. It covers invoicing, expense tracking, bank reconciliation, and multi-currency support, and also runs on very affordable plan, even free for under $50,000 annual revenue. So if you need an all-in-one accounting tools rather than e-commerce specific automation, Zoho Books actually fits well in that category. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.